going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. Stay tuned for this video. I'm going to be giving you all a build update, good demo footage, and kind of see what the bandwidth is of my build. Going to learn it and play with it a little bit today. Stay tuned. I have a January giveaway with SkyHigh. To enter, use discount code JacobVile at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video. So I got a single 8K on 45 amp hour of lithium. Anybody new watching, vehicle's not the prettiest, but I'm happy with it. On 4 high-Q Savard 18s and a 5-to-1 ratio 4th order. I just posted some other videos on the main channel as well as a subwoofer unboxing. If you haven't seen those, check those out. I'll put the link in the description so you can see them. But I'm going to be doing some subflex today, as well as I want to kind of see, with these subs being brand new, kind of how my SPL score is, as well as what my frequency is for my bandwidth. So I already know my SPL score. You got to watch the other video if you want to see what it was on the high end. But I kind of want to see what my bandwidth is on the low end as well. So let's go ahead and start with SPL, and then we'll get into some demo flex footage. If anybody has any questions, let me know in the comments. Just ask and I'll reply to any questions y'all have. It could be about your build or mine. Trying to be really efficient for this year with my build. I downgraded subs, I downgraded power, I downgraded my lithium, everything really. I went 50% reduction and tried to still be around that 160 dB mark. My last build last year, it was basically twice as much of everything, budget-wise. Instead of around a $5,000 budget, it was around a $10,000 to $12,000 budget. So I reduced that by 50 to 60%, and I only lost, I'd say, maybe 1 to 2 dB, depending on how I can get this enclosure built and fine-tuned. So really happy with it so far, but that was the reason I downgraded, is I wanted to kind of downgrade for meeting a lower budget this year and kind of have a new fun experience to see how loud can I get with less power in my same enclosure. Just changed equipment, and pretty much besides that, same enclosure. So let me go ahead and do some tests first on camera. Anybody new watching, welcome. Subscribe if you haven't. Going to be doing a test real quick on the glass. I want to kind of see what my SPL score is with the meter first. So let me go ahead and get this set up and I'll get back with y'all. All right, so I got my other phone hooked up for the SSA meter here. It's going to be able to see SPL. It's usually within a tenth. I'm going to be testing the low frequencies real quick and kind of see how it does for my peak. These subs are brand new. And then let's get some subflex action as well as some demos going. So we'll see how this does real quick here. I'm going to do low frequency, low volume, and we'll see how the lows are. Saw a couple of people wanting to know about that. And then, of course, I'll do other videos if you want to see more testing on this. Stay tuned, as well as subscribe if you haven't. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to be using a test tone with Bluetooth, and I'm going to do a sweep at volume 15. So let's do that real quick. A sweep at volume 40 to 70 hertz until I see where my peak is. So let's do that real quick. Sorry, it needs to be 20 hertz, my bad. All right, so 21 hertz with my door actually shut. So let's open it up and see how it changes. All right, so 26 hertz is what it's liking right now on the glass with that window up and this one open with the door. So let's see how it does, just curiosity. At 26 hertz, let's go ahead and play some 26 hertz real quick on music and see how it does. I'm not going to be clipping. I might clip for a second, you never know, depending on, I'm still learning my system. But I want to do 26 hertz and let's find out how it does. So 26 hertz on music. We'll see how this thing's doing just for bandwidth. So 26 hertz window and door open. Looks like it did almost a 54. Sub's brand new, 26 hertz. And I don't know what the power is on that, but I was dropping to mid 13, so I'm gonna guess it's probably around 4,000 watts, 4 or 5,000 watts. And that wasn't up to clipping or anything, but just to kind of see on music. So I would say this, potentially, this is probably a 155 or 156 dB on the low end, and then the high end, it'll be around a 160, 161. On music on the glass. So definitely happy with it. And that's just big ratio fourth orders. I'm able to play the lows and the highs, but based off of that, and this isn't full volume, I would say go ahead and bump that up about a dB and a half. It'd probably be around a 155 if I was full tilt to clipping on a Burt. So that was just on music there. And it was 2 clicks from that. So I'm sure it was easy at 55. Plus I'm letting these subs break in before I do any kind of extensive low end testing. Don't want to tear anything. You got to let them loosen them up first. If anybody doesn't understand, subwoofers don't have to have a break-in for power, but you do need to let them break in so you don't tear anything when you're playing those lows. And you also want to learn your system before you actually do some kind of serious, like full tilt music outside of your bandwidth that you know. So you don't want to play stuff you don't know of. All right, so now let's go ahead and do some music real quick for y'all. Once again, thank y'all for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I hope y'all enjoying this kind of content. Let me know in the comments if y'all have some questions. And let me get this thing hooked up real quick. All right, so I'm gonna play one more song for y'all today. This one's gonna be with both windows down. We'll see how it does. All right. So this one's gonna be called Talk About Nothing. I don't know if y'all can see it. It says Talk About Nothing, 26 hertz and up. So we'll get that going in a minute. Get some subflex and kind of see how it does. Let's try a shirt too. I don't know if it'll float one. I mean, I know it'll float one at my peak, but with this song, I couldn't tell you. And I'm not trying to blow anything, so I'm babying as I go. That's it for today. Hope y'all enjoyed that. If you have some questions, let me know. Got more videos to come, as well as some more build updates to come. Excuse me, the loud bass makes me sneeze sometimes. And do some more testing on this, kind of see how I can fine tune my enclosure. Bass is making me sneeze. Thank y'all for watching. I'm really happy, just a single 8,000 watt amplifier at 1 ohm. Gonna find out kind of how much power I'm clamping on it for some videos as well. And more to come. Let me know if there's a specific video you want to see. Thank y'all. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.